Hello students, come to the VPS online classes. Today I am going to give you the revision of your English literature reader lesson 1 and lesson 2. Lesson 1 is the poem A Night Rain in Summer, and the lesson 2 is lesson 1 A Night Rain in Summer. Okay, and the lesson 2 bribes the stomach ache cure. This is your lesson 2. These two lessons will come in your pre-periodic exam. I have taught these two chapters very well to all of you. So I think you all have gone through properly these two lessons. And today I am going to give you the revision of these two chapters for your pre-periodic exam. Now, first, please tell me the name of the poet of the poem A Night Rain in Summer. Yes, the name of the poet is James Leigh Hunt. Okay students, now you have to learn first stanza of the poem very thoroughly. Okay, and the first stanza of the poem is: open the window and let the air freshly blow upon face and hair, and fill the room as it fills the night with the breath of the rain's sweet might. Okay, and about the word meaning. All these word meaning are given here, and you have to learn all these word meaning. And you all know that this poem is about the appreciation of nature. In this poem, poet has appreciated the things exist in the nature. Okay, now come to the word meaning and the exercises of the lesson. Yes, so in this way you came to know that this poem is based on appreciation of nature. Poet has appreciated each and every aspect of the nature and requested human beings to enjoy the natural things. Now come to the word meaning. The word blink means lamp, sordid, unpleasant, not, nothing, twixt, between, lullabies, soft soothing songs to put children to sleep means lori. Blessed is the old English word. It is used for blessed. Okay, blessed. So you have to learn all these word meaning. And now you all have done these question answers in your literature copy. So learn and revise all these answers from there. Now I am going to ask you some questions in between the poem. Now please tell me, is A Night Rain in Summer is a patriotic poem? Is it true or false? It is? Yes, it is false. It is not a patriotic poem. It is a poem of appreciation of nature. Okay students, now tell me why the poet liked to sit beside the window. Why the poet of this poem liked to sit beside the window? Yes, he wanted to enjoy the outside scene during the night rain in summer. पोएट खिड़की से बाहर देखते हुए एक नाइट जिसमें कि जो समर की नाइट है और रेनी नाइट है, पोएट वांट टू एंजॉय that's why he was sitting beside the window. And the poet liked the nature and the natural things. Now which type of poem is A Night Rain in Summer? Yes, I have already told you that it is a poem of appreciation of nature. Okay students, now you have to learn the word meaning and the exercises. Clear? Is the poem is about the summer season or the winter season? Yes, the poem is about the summer season. Okay, you must learn all these things properly. Okay, now come to the second chapter of the reader book, and this is bribes the stomach ache cure. This is the story of a person or man named Hemant who is too much obsessed with the eating. Okay, whatever he found tasty, he eats unlimited. So naturally he will be suffering from stomach ache. Unlimited things make somewhere painful. Okay, so now you have all learned this chapter. See, the Hemant and his wife was scolding him for eating too much, and Hemant promised Mother Goddess to offer a silver horse to cure his pain, and at last he is not going to fulfill his promise. Now these are the word meaning of this story. Insatiable, always wanting more, respite, a short relief, stormed, walked with heavy steps. Learn all these word meaning. Okay, now here see the synonyms of these words: yelled, screamed, large, huge, gobbled, swallowed, witty, humorous. Okay, students, and these are the tick mark of this lesson. These are the question answers which you all have done in your literature copy. Now come to the questions in between the chapters. First, tell me, what type of man was Hemant? Is Hemant kind, generous, or truthful? No, he was not a kind, not a generous, and not a truthful person. He promised something and do other thing. Okay, now tell me, Hemant's wife scolded his husband for too much eating. Is it true or false? हेमंत की वाइफ उसको स्कोल्ड करी थी ज़्यादा खाने के लिए. Yes, this statement is true. Second statement is, Hemant was a truthful person. Is it true or false? It is false. He was not a truthful person. Okay, now tell me the one question. What did Hemant offer Mother Goddess to cure his pain? Yes, he offered silver horse to cure his pain. Had he fulfilled his promise? No, he had not fulfilled his promise. Okay, now these type of questions will come in your exam. So read the chapter thoroughly. It's not important to learn the question answers after the chapter. It is also important to go through all the chapters very thoroughly, because questions will also come in between the chapters. Okay, students, so prepare all these chapters for your pre-periodic exam. Thank you, students, for today's video.